Hello everyone, today I will show you how to copy and paste or cut text from a text box in Google Spreadsheet. Open your Google Spreadsheet and I will copy this text from this text box. Click on this text box and select. Now click this three dot option and select edit option. Now double click on this text box and drag your mouse. You can select associate text or press Ctrl A and select whole text. I'll select this first line and copy and click right button and select copy and select save and close. Now I can put a text in here. I'll put this cell and see this and I'll decrease the line size. See this. Also I'll paste this text in this text box. Click this three dot option. Edit. Now double click on this text box and paste a text here. Yeah, this is in this you can copy and paste a text from a text box. Yeah, thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share and comments.